Hi everyone, today we are going to see a case study of wind power plant siting. We know that wind power plant converts as kinetic energy into an electrical energy, and normal cost of a single windmill will be around 1 crore. We have small windmills with lesser capacity also. The main case study which we need to see here is location of the wind power plant. Even if we consider Tamil Nadu, all the places are not we are not installing in all the places windmills. The reason is we should have a certain monsoon, and we should have a wind velocity in a particular speed. For example, if we consider Dharapuram, Udumilpet areas, we have huge windmills. The reason is we consider those sites as a better place for installing windmills. So let us see what is the case study in siting of wind power plant, and how the industry is tackling it through modern technologies. So depending upon the location, depending upon the geographical place, we have to choose the installation area. It should not be a wetland or environmental habitat, and the wind velocity should be more, so that it will have sufficient velocity to make the windmills to rotate. Google Maps helps in identifying these places in a better way. So through this Google Maps and Google Gamesa's software called plant identification helps whether the particular site is optimal in installing a wind plant. So the major issues are the wind flow should be constant, and we should not have nearby trees or hills which will interfere the rotation of the rotors. And we will be having higher end towers, so strong winds will support it. And wind speed also varies with temperature, season and time of the day, so it should be also affects. To avoid this, climatic factors and mechanical factors, time of the day, season and geographical locations. Apart from this, we need to identify the better place in placing the wind turbines. So for this, Google Maps and Gamesa's Google location identification tools are used to help us in installing a better wind and generation capacity areas.